येनाक्षरसमां नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्च ज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। अथ शब्दानुशासनम् अथ माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि आ इ उन् ऋलृक् ए ओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लण् ञमगणनं जभै घडधश् जबगडदश् ख फ छ ट त च ट तौ कपै शशसर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि. One thing before I start the sutras, many people who know, we have been doing this class from past say 1 year, one and a half years. I have never in my class thanked Vaishnavi, Kirtana and the panelists. I have never thanked them for being present in every class and reciting. So Kritagne Nasti Nishkriti. That is what Ramayana says. If I don't thank them in front of you all, then Lord Rama will not forgive me. So we have to be very, very thankful to the panelists who are attending regularly and who are chanting and who are all as good as teachers. Kirtana, sometimes Vaishnavi, sometimes Sumati, and sometimes even Kalyani. So when Vaishnavi was not present, many times Kalyani also has recited. So these panelists, they are present every day. See, my class is not successful if the panelist is not there. It is like we assume that they are coming. They are coming with a lot of devotion and shraddha, and every class they make sure that they are there. And I am always late to the class, and I immediately see, first thing I see is whether Vaishnavi is there, Kirtana is there, whether they are there. My heart beat stops if they are not there because I cannot run the class. That is the importance of the panelists. I have to think as to who else should chant and whether they will chant properly, whether they will chant with Alpa Prana, Mahaprana. This thinking goes on in my mind. I know all of you are capable. Today I can make anybody a panelist here. That is a different issue. But the whole world will be watching the video at that time or hearing to the audio. At that time, the class in Vyoma should be very nice. Apart from my chanting is actually at a level which is very ordinary, whereas the panelists are chant very nicely, better than me in most of the cases. Even in Amarakosha, we had Pratibha Bhagini, we had Kalyani chanting and being with us for throughout the course. So without the panelists and without the this one, so-called the chanters who chant after me, I think this course is not successful. So let us all give a clap to Vaishnavi, Kirtana. I don't know whether Kirtana has come today, but I think she has not come today. I think Kirtana's friends will be there. I think Varun Nanduri is from Austin. I think he can convey to Kirtana. And I think Shweta also is from Austin. I think many times we forget the presence and the contribution made by the panelists in this course. Today, Vyoma is running lot of courses, and it is only because of the success of the panelists who are supporting the teachers. So I pray that all these panelists become great teachers in the future. That is the prayer and best wishes I have for them.
Namaskar, sir. What's in the request? I know you have introduced the panelists. Generally, what is their age group? Are they all students or already going to college and things like that?
See, Vaishnavi is doing her Vyakarana Shastri in from Tirupati Central Sanskrit University, and she is a Vyakarana student. Similarly, Kalyani is also a sister of Vaishnavi, and they both are Vyakarana students. But Kirtana is a unique person. She volunteered. She is not a Vyakarana student, but she has good pronunciation skills. So she has worked on her pronunciation skills, and she has come up. So she is of 7th grade or 8th grade, I think. I don't know which grade exactly, but she is from Austin, and she volunteered herself that I will make sure that I chant properly in your class. So she is in 8th grade. That's what Sneha is telling. So Kirtana is in the 8th grade.
Right. There is a group of population in the United States. They're all very dedicated Sanskrit learners. So
Yes, yes,
anyway, Dhanyavada. Thank you.
yes. Sumati also sometimes when they are not there, we use Sumati also. Sumati also is a Vyakarana student. Sumati, Kalyani, and Vaishnavi, all three are from Central Sanskrit University. They are doing full-time Vyakarana studies. They know the meaning of these sutras, and they can actually explain these sutras also. They are learning for their own, so that when they become teachers, they can become more efficient. Because by hearting of Ashtadhyayi is required for every Vyakarana student. So many times I have thought about this. I have missed thanking them. I think so. The best thing is when you think about them, and when today I thought that I should thank them, and I got this thought in the beginning of the class. Many times I close the class and then I think I should not. I should have told thanks to Vaishnavi and other things. Though I tell thanks, Dhanyavada officially like that. Simply I tell that, but this is like without them the class cannot run. That much it is as much as I am required for this class. They are also required for this class. We start today's class. Enakshara samam nayam. I think we did the prayer, but we will do the prayer again because we spoke something in between. Enakshara samam nayam adhigamya maheshwara. अथ पंचमोऽध्यायः द्वितीयः पादः
अथ पंचमोऽध्यायः द्वितीयः पादः अथ पंचमोऽध्यायः द्वितीयः पादः
किमः संख्या परिमाणेडति च
किमः संख्या परिमाणेडति च किमः संख्या परिमाणेडति च
संख्याया अवयवेतयप्
संख्याया अवयवेतयप् संख्याया अवयवेतयप्
द्वित्रिभ्यां तयस्या यज्वा
द्वित्रिभ्यां तयस्या यज्वा द्वित्रिभ्यां तयस्या यज्वा
उभादुदात्तो नित्यम्
नित्यां तपस्यायाज्वाम्
उभादुदात्तो नित्यम् उभादुदात्तो नित्यम्
तस्मिन्नधिकमिति दशाम्
तदस्मिन्नधिकमिति दशान्ताड्डः
तदस्मिन्नधिकमिति दशान्ताड्डः तदस्मिन्नधिकमिति दशान्ताड्डः
शदन्तविंशतेश्च
शदन्तविंशतेश्च शदन्तविंशतेश्च
संख्याया गुणस्य निमाने मयट्
संख्याया गुणस्य निमाने मयट् संख्याया गुणस्य निमाने मयट्
तस्य पूरणे डट्
तस्य पूरणे डट् तस्य पूरणे डट्
नान्तादसंख्यादेर्मट्
नान्तादसंख्यादेर्मट् नान्तादसंख्यादेर्मट्
थट् च छन्दसि
थट् च छन्दसि थट् च छन्दसि
षट् कति कतिपय चतुरान्थुक्
षट् कति कतिपय चतुरान्थुक् षट् कति कतिपय चतुरान्थुक्
बहुपूगगणसङ्घस्य तिथुक्
बहुपूगगणसङ्घस्य तिथुक् बहुपूगगणसङ्घस्य तिथुक्
वतोरिथुक्
वतोरिथुक् वतोरिथुक्
द्वे स्तीयः
द्वे स्तीयः द्वे स्तीयः
त्रयः सम्प्रसारणं च
त्रयः सम्प्रसारणं च त्रयः सम्प्रसारणं च
विंशत्यादिभ्यस्तमडन्यतरस्याम्
विंशत्यादिभ्यस्तमडन्यतरस्याम् विंशत्यादिभ्यस्तमडन्यतरस्याम्
नित्यं शतादिमासार्धमाससंवत्सराच्च
नित्यं शतादिमासार्धमाससंवत्सराच्च नित्यं शतादिमासार्धमाससंवत्सराच्च
षष्ट्यादेश्चासङ्ख्यादेः
षष्ट्यादेश्चासङ्ख्यादेः षष्ट्यादेश्चासङ्ख्यादेः
मतौच्छः सूक्तसाम्नोः
मतौच्छः सूक्तसाम्नोः मतौच्छः सूक्तसाम्नोः
अध्यायानुवाकयोर्लुक्
अध्यायानुवाकयोर्लुक् अध्यायानुवाकयोर्लुक्
विमुक्तादिभ्योऽण्
विमुक्तादिभ्योऽण् विमुक्तादिभ्योऽण्
गोषदादिभ्यो वुन्
गोषदादिभ्यो वुन् गोषदादिभ्यो वुन्
तत्र कुशलः पथः
तत्र कुशलः पथः तत्र कुशलः पथः
आकर्षादिभ्यः कन्
आकर्षादिभ्यः कन् आकर्षादिभ्यः कन्
धनहिरण्यात् कामे
धनहिरण्यात् कामे धनहिरण्यात् कामे
स्वाङ्गेभ्यः प्रसिते
स्वाङ्गेभ्यः प्रसिते स्वाङ्गेभ्यः प्रसिते
उदराट्ठगाद्यूने
उदराट्ठगाद्यूने उदराट्ठगाद्यूने
सस्येन परिजातः
सस्येन परिजातः सस्येन परिजातः
अंशंहारी
अंशंहारी
तन्त्रादचिरापहृते
तन्त्रादचिरापहृते तन्त्रादचिरापहृते
ब्राह्मणकोष्णिके संज्ञायाम्
ब्राह्मणकोष्णिके संज्ञायाम् ब्राह्मणकोष्णिके संज्ञायाम्
शीतोष्णाभ्याङ्कारिणि
शीतोष्णाभ्याङ्कारिणि शीतोष्णाभ्याङ्कारिणि
अधिकम्
अधिकम् अधिकम्
अनुकाभिकाभीकः कमिता
अनुकाभिकाभीकः कमिता अनुकाभिकाभीकः कमिता
पार्श्वेनान्विच्छति
पार्श्वेनान्विच्छति पार्श्वेनान्विच्छति
अयशूलदण्डाजिनाभ्याण्ठक्ठयो
अयशूलदण्डाजिनाभ्याण्ठक्ठयो अयशूलदण्डाजिनाभ्याण्ठक्ठयो
तावतिथं ग्रहणमिति लुग्वा
तावतिथं ग्रहणमिति लुग्वा तावतिथं ग्रहणमिति लुग्वा
स येषाङ्ग्रामणीः
स येषाङ्ग्रामणीः स येषाङ्ग्रामणीः
शृङ्खलमस्य बन्धनं करभे
शृङ्खलमस्य बन्धनं करभे शृङ्खलमस्य बन्धनं करभे
उत्क उन्मनाः
उत्क उन्मनाः उत्क उन्मनाः
कालप्रयोजनाद्रोगे
कालप्रयोजनाद्रोगे कालप्रयोजनाद्रोगे धन्यवादाः महोदय
धन्यवादाः. Another quality that is required in a panelist is, which these panelists have, is suppose the teacher makes mistake, they have to carefully, without hurting the ego of the teacher, they have to carefully correct that and also tell that correctly. So that also they do very subtly. Many times I have done some mistakes in reciting and they correct it. They will not point out and say, sir, you told like this, therefore I will also tell like that. Or they will not tell that, okay, point out the mistake of the teacher and show that the teacher is this one. So they have that humility. That humility makes them very great. Both Kirtana and Vaishnavi, they have that humility. And Sumati also, many times I've seen, when I make some mistakes, sometimes I know that I'm making mistake. Sometimes I realize after I make the mistake. But then the panelist is such that they correct the mistake, they see the text and they correct the mistake. So that is why I stick to these panelists and I have not selected others or anything. Don't think others are not capable of being a panelist. There may be thoughts in the minds of Varun, Meenakshi, Sneha, oh, I also could have chanted. These young children, they may be thinking, why cannot I be the panelist someday? Yes, you can be the panelist, definitely. Definitely we will select you. There are so many courses in Vyoma which is going to happen. We are going to definitely, Varun is there in some of the courses, and he's chanting. He's chanting very well. His chanting is very good. Varun's chanting is very good. I've seen his chanting in other courses. I've been an assessor for his chanting and all. His chanting is very good. Sneha's chanting is very good. So I've seen some of the youngsters who are coming up and who are chanting very good. Meenakshi's chanting is excellent. She also chants very well. Like that, there are very good chanters who are youngsters who are coming up who are chanting very well. Pragun and Vihan, those two young children, we should not forget them. They are really good. Pragun now is the panelist in Shabda Kathanam course. So I have requested him to be a panelist in that course. Since he said he will be attending that course regularly. So like that, we will have opportunities for everybody somewhere. For the elders, I know we are giving opportunities for the youngsters. Elders, those who really want to chant, please send a mail to me. I will definitely select you for the chanting. We Pratibha Bagini had volunteered for the Amarakosha course. She had chanted very nicely, and she had done the recording of the entire Amarakosha Prathama Kanda and given it to Vyoma. And without any prejudice or copyrights or anything, she said, it is Vyoma who has taught me, and please take it. We have put that in the course page also. So like that, there are many people who are helping in Vyoma, in Vyoma's growth. There are people who are silent behind the scenes. They are helping. Janaki Bagini, who attends every day the class, she also helps in lot of Vyoma activities. In Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi course, she does the uploading, she does the coordination, she does lot of volunteer coordination. She does lot of work. There are lot of people who are helping Vyoma in different ways. Sudha Srikanth has started to volunteer for some course. Like that, there are lot of people who are helping us, without which Vyoma cannot grow. Every day, we have to be thankful to all these people who are helping Vyoma grow. We cannot, if we think that we can grow by money, if we have say 10 crores rupees, we cannot buy people with such great passion. We cannot give them salary, and we cannot have an organization like Vyoma without dedicated volunteers. Even if you pay salary, you will not get such dedicated volunteers. So that is the experience we are having. We have some volunteers who are working with us, for some paid employees who are working with us, but they do the work at their level. Not that they are not passionate or dedicated, but the passion and dedication with which the volunteers come and do these kind of activities is something unique, which only Vyoma can experience. Maybe Samskrita Bharati has experienced this by having good volunteers. Vyoma is definitely fortunate. Bhagavan has definitely brought these people together for the cause of Sanskritam, and Vyoma is definitely fortunate. It is the elders who are blessing us on constantly. All the Venkateshwaran Gopalas, the Ramakrishnas, the Sita Lakshmis, and the Meenakshi, Vaikalatur, then our Delhi Mami, all these people, they are all constantly praying for Vyoma's success. Our Andrew Mahodaya, Saurabh Mahodaya, lot of people, you are all praying for Vyoma's success. Elders whom you are blessing. So because of the blessings, God is connecting the right people, and He's bringing the right people with the right team for His work, that is Samskriti, Samskriti, Samskara. It is His work that we are all doing. So if we think that, I think all of us are enjoying in this journey. Thank you very much for all the support that all of you are giving. Many times I don't express these thanks because I am from the traditional background with traditional gurus and all those things, but I have learned in the modern way also, done some modern education also, but it is necessary to tell or to be grateful. In Ramayana itself, Rama says, if you are not grateful for the people who have helped you, then there is no nishkriti. That means there is no prayaschitta for that papa. The kritagne nasti nishkritihi. Kritam hanti iti kritagnaha. Kritam janati iti kritagnaha. Kritagnaha and kritagnaha are opposites. Kritagnaha is a grateful person, one who knows the help given to him and who acknowledges it. Kritagnaha is one who does not understand that, or who doesn't express us, who is not thankful. See, Rukmini, when she wants to get married to Krishna, she expresses her thanks to the Brahmana who went and gave her the message to Lord Krishna. that Lord Krishna has to come and pick Rukmini to get married to Rukmini. So she is very thankful to that Brahmana who helped her send the message to Lord Krishna that she cannot marry anybody else other than Krishna in this Janma. So Rukmini Rukmini wants to marry Krishna, but Rukmini's brother Rukma is there. He wants to get her married to Shishupala. So they organized the marriage, and on the previous day of the marriage, or before that, Krishna comes and takes Rukmini and to Dwaraka and gets married to Rukmini. This is in Bhagavata Purana. There also Napashyanti Brahmanaya Priyamanyam Nanamasa. That Vakya is there. So she could not give anything to the Brahmana. Though she was a queen, she did not have anything at that point in time. You know what she did? She just prostrated to him and said with folded hands, Namaskaram to that Brahmana, and said, thank you very much. That words which she said, Napashyanti Brahmanaya Priyam Anyam. Anyam Priyam Napashyanti Sa Nanama. Nanama is she prostrated to him and said, thank you very much. So that way, we may not be able to give any gifts or something for the panelists. Definitely we and the volunteers, but definitely we can say words of thanks to all the people
They
who
can get the
support
blessings
Vyoma.
from God, sir, for doing these services.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.